Hello everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts Today, and I would like to be your DIY TV repair guide. Is your TV producing sound but there's no picture on the screen? If you've done the flashlight test and you are seeing a faint image, the most common fix for this issue is swapping out the LED driver board or the power supply board. With just a screwdriver and a replacement part from TV Parts Today, we can help you get your TV fixed at home. For as little as $20 in 20 minutes, TV Parts Today can help you get your TV back up and running. Everything from back removal to the actual board swap. TV Parts Today is here to help you every step of the way. Check out our wizard of TV repair and our huge inventory of parts at www.tvpartstoday.com.